10 of the most luxurious watches in the world. Number 10. Patek Philippe Master Grand Master Chime Ref 6300A. This limited edition watch by Patek Philippe is one of the most complicated watches ever made. It has a reversible case with 2 dials and 20 complications, including a perpetual calendar, moon phases, and a minute repeater. Number 9. Rolex Daytona Rainbow. This iconic Rolex model is known for its stunning and vibrant rainbow-colored gemstone bezel. The Daytona Rainbow is a symbol of luxury and exclusivity, with its 18-karat gold case and diamond-set hour markers. Number 8. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph. The Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph by Audemars Piguet is a bold and distinctive timepiece. It features a large and rugged stainless steel case, a chronograph function, and a textured mega tapisserie dial. The combination of sporty aesthetics and luxurious detailing makes it a coveted watch among high-end collectors. Number 7. Richard Mille RM56-02 Sapphire. Richard Mille is renowned for its innovative use of materials, and the RM56-02 Sapphire exemplifies this. The watch's case is entirely made of sapphire crystal, providing a clear view of its intricate movement. With its transparent design and advanced complications, such as a tourbillon and power reserve indicator, the RM56-02 is a remarkable display of technical prowess. Number 6. Jaeger-LeCoultre Hybris Mechanica Grande Sonnerie. This masterpiece by Jaeger-LeCoultre combines horological complexity with exceptional craftsmanship. The Hybris Mechanica Grande Sonnerie features a striking mechanism that chimes the hours and quarters automatically or on demand. With 1,300 parts and 26 complications, it represents the pinnacle of traditional Swiss watchmaking. Number 5. Vacheron Constantin Patrimony Traditionnel Tourbillon. Vacheron Constantin is renowned for its timeless elegance, and the Patrimony Traditionnel Tourbillon exemplifies this aesthetic. It features a beautifully finished tourbillon movement housed in an understated and classic round case. The watch embodies the brand's commitment to tradition, precision, and refined design. Number 4. Lang & Son Lang 1 Tourbillon Perpetual Calendar. This timepiece by Lang & Son combines a tourbillon with a perpetual calendar, showcasing the brand's technical expertise and attention to detail. The Lang 1 Tourbillon Perpetual Calendar features a distinctive dial layout and a platinum or rose gold case, exuding a sense of luxury and sophistication. Number 3. Hublot Big Bang Unico Haute Joaillerie. Hublot is known for its bold and avant-garde designs, and the Big Bang Unico Haute Joaillerie is no exception. This watch is meticulously adorned with a multitude of precious gemstones, including diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. Its high jewelry craftsmanship and mechanical prowess make it a true statement piece. Number 2. Breguet Classique Grand Complication. Breguet is celebrated for its historical legacy and timeless designs, and the Classique Grand Complication embodies the brand's heritage. This watch features a grand complication movement with a perpetual calendar, minute repeater, and moon phase display. The Classique Grand Complication showcases Breguet's mastery of both technical innovation and aesthetic elegance. Number 1. Cartier Rotonde de Cartier Astrocalendar. Cartier is synonymous with luxury and style, and the Rotonde de Cartier Astrocalendar is an example of the brand's expertise. This watch offers a special beauty.